Hello guys, welcome back on episode 3. So yeah, we're on episode 3 and we're playing some Terraria. I love it. And yeah, we're just waiting for the night to go over. So night's taking like its own sweet time. Shooting star! Can't move.
So does that ruin your recording?
Huh?
Does that ruin your recording? You watching?
I have no idea what you're saying, Renee.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, there comes another zombie. These zombies look weird, especially that zombie. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is making me oh my gosh, I'm so used to Minecraft, but I never play it, so Dang, I'm gonna break the roof. Oh, I can make a lot of stuff now. I think a boner will be good. Six range damage. 4 range damage. Well, I like that one. So, let's put the aircon down there. And that right there, now right there, now right there, and that right there, and that one right there. I thought I just quit the game. I was like, no, I don't want to quit the game. Not just yet. Wait, I'm gonna quit the game? Time to make platform. Jump! And penguin! There's a penguin! There's a penguin! Hi, penguin. Wait. Before I do make anything else, I'm gonna go over here and jump over the slime. I have one item in my inventory. Like, a lot of Steam things are popping up for me for some reason. Yeah, let's go over here. Oh, this is the wall. I'm just checking the land and stuff. Oh no, I'm going back up. I'm going back up. I'm going back up. And down. I should cut down some trees. Boom, bum. Tomorrow I will stream, but you have to go to SlenderMidget to watch me stream. I'll put that in the link below of these episodes. And wait, will I upload all the episodes today? I don't know. I probably will because I haven't uploaded a lot of videos. Ah! Jump! Oh my gosh. I forgot what button the jump is. Dun, 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 dun. This is a lot of one. You own it. So, Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love Terraria. This is the most funnest thing ever in my whole entire life. Oh gosh, get die. Oh my gosh, when I put my sword away, he's like, oh, I'm gonna know. What the fudge? I didn't tell you to go down there. Oh my gosh. I love the death sound effect. Like, they stay away. Oh my goodness, stay away, you stupid slimes. I'm trying to build a house here. I don't trust you because well, okay, yeah, I didn't trust you. I know. Couldn't trust your butt. It's all flexible. And there's a penguin. I know I couldn't trust you. Okay, build wood. Come on, come on. No, not right there. I'm not saying to build it right there. No, dang it. Why tell you to build somewhere? Jeez, this is stupid. Oh my goodness. Just get away from me, okay? Why am I looking that way now? Ah. Come on, come on. What the fudge? I don't want... Thank... He opened the door! How the heck did the slime open the door? I think I opened it. I don't know.
Is it constantly snowing right here?
Okay, time to go, get angry at myself. Oh, I forgot there's a slime in my house. Why is a slime... I can't get in the house. I can't get in my house. Dang it. Dang it. Get out of my house, slimes. Dang it. Fudge. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house, slimes. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out. Come on, get my house. I can't move forward, okay. Sometimes I'm pressing the wrong buttons. That was stressful. You know, like when slimes just punch you in the face, and you're like, "Oh my gosh!" Jeez, he pushed me off. Not fair. Dang it! No. Dang it! Dang it! Stop it! I don't like wood. That's the most worst thing I've ever said. Why can I not build this stinking wall? Fudging. Get out of my house, you stinking worm. Jeez, stop it. I don't want you to freaking... Dang it. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult. Why can I not build this? Jeez! Get away! Okay, this is gonna be the end of this episode. I will see you guys on the next episode.